Yep, I'm here with Jean and Alex, and Jean's just pointed out a clever little bit of kit. It's actually a Hoover, Jean, isn't it? If you could, can you turn it on? Are you able to do that? So it automatically hoovers the whole garden annex. What happens if it hits those cables then, Jean?
Well, it tells you to keep cables up out the way, because I guess it just gets caught up in them.
All right.
Like a normal Hoover would.
So if you turn, once it's all done, if you turn that off, what does it do?
Well, it'll go back.
Once the charge
It goes
is
back to the charging thing.
once the charge is low, so you don't have to push it back yourself.
So it goes back there, and once it's charged, it'll pop out to let you know that's it fully charged, and you just switch it off till the next time you want to use it, so that the battery stays full.
So that's finding
So that's it, looking for the.
that's finding its own way back to its home.
Yeah.
So it's docking point.
And
So
how often do you have to empty it?
I would, well, I just showed Ian. It's quite full of dust, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was just, I used that yesterday, so
Yeah, it's got a little
I
compartment.
didn't think there was much dust in here, but it just shows you
No,
there
it's
is.
just a brilliant bit of kit.
And that was £99 from Debenhams.
It was under £100, I don't
Yeah.
remember exactly how much, but it was under
Yeah.
100 in dividends, yeah.
It's brilliant.
Cool. I bought one of these in America years and years ago for my son, because he lives in America.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
So does he use it in America then? Yeah. Great.
It's wonderful.
It's great for hard floors, and I probably struggle a bit with carpets. But
It might do. They're supposed to be okay, but I mean, I don't know.
yeah. Okay, that's lovely. Thank you.